Nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows. But through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time we're going to do a 3D makeup. I'm sure you have seen a lot of these makeups, but today I'm going to teach you how to make one of them. The makeup we're going to do today is kind of related to the name of our YouTube channel, which I'm sure you've already subscribed to. So let's do the makeup. Alright, these makeups are based on the optical illusion, so you have to find your favorite angle of your face and work on that part. I like to work on this part because the makeup we're going to do, you can't look straight to the camera and do it. You have to just focus on one of your angles. Alright, I call this part of my face my real face, and this part including my eyes, eyebrows, nose and lips, the mask. So I'm gonna use a black and brown pencil for drawing some lines to show the mask, and this is, I can say, this is the key part of the makeup. Alright, these are the important lines, and you don't have to work on this part because it's not going to be shown in the pictures or your videos, so we just work on this angle. And for this part, as I told you, which is gonna be my real face, I'm gonna use the foundation. And for this part, which is the mask, I'm gonna use the highlighter because this part should be much brighter than this part. So I use foundation and contour for this part. So I'm gonna use these two colors of Hunting palette for the foundation and contour, and here the highlighter one. And also I use Dermacool foundation, which is bright, for the mask part. We use a brush for foundation to have a higher cover, but after we should definitely use a beauty blender because the brush draws some lines and we want to remove it. So I use highlighter to make it brighter. Alright, now I fix it with this powder and just the mask part. So again, for the optical illusion, we use black color, black pencil, anything black for these two parts. When we do it, it's like your mask is coming out of your face. And now we have to use a contour for this part above this line to make it look more natural, and a little bit this part. You should contour this part and highlight this part. You can even use eyeshadows for drawing these shadows. I use dark brown. Now I'm gonna use a concealer and clean these parts, because here in the mask should be white. So I decided to use more black for here to make it look like there's more space between my real face and my mask. And I think it's gonna look better. And now I'm gonna fade them. Now we have to make up the mask. For my eyes, I want to have some kind of brown and golden eyeshadows. So for the basic eyeshadow, I use dark brown, and I put it only on my crease line. It's too dark. Okay, now we draw a tiny eyeliner and then the eyes will be done. We didn't focus a lot on the mask makeup because the important part is the optical illusion. But we did a simple eye makeup and I hope you like it, but that doesn't really matter. Well, it's not as tiny as I expected. Now a little pink blush. And nude lipstick. Right, I want it to look more natural, so I'm gonna draw something here. It's like that your mask sticks to your face. So this is our 3D makeup. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to tell me your opinions on this makeup in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the support. Love you all and bye!
A rainbow without you.